Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a bunch of video quality samples from the new Ring car camera. This is Ring's new Dashcam, and it's a 2-channel Dashcam that can record both out the front of the vehicle as well as the interior of the vehicle. And if you already use Ring's home security cameras or video doorbells and whatnot, the car camera is going to integrate really nicely in the Ring app. Now, I'm working on my full test and review video of this Dashcam 2, and I plan to release it later this week, and so make sure you're subscribed so you can get notified for when that video is available. But in this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some sample clips here so you can see what the image quality is like here out of this Dashcam. We're going to take a look at videos from both the front and the interior cameras, as well as recording both in the daytime and at night.